Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is a fat burning drink. Now, this is a strong drink which gets rid of stubborn belly fat. Now, the ingredients are pretty simple: lemon, cinnamon, ginger, and one secret ingredient that I'll tell you towards the end. So, keep watching. So, for making them, you need organic lemons, and the reason is because we are going to use the skin, which has a lot of the good things. With that, we are going to be using cinnamon. Please don't go for the fancy one. You need this type of cinnamon, which is the outer bark and has more good things. And finally, ginger. It's an inch and a half or something around that. The first thing is you need to take the skin off just using a spoon and then grate the ginger. When you grate ginger, it's easier for it to dissolve in water, and that's exactly what we want. So now that ginger is done, we want to prepare our lemon, and that's nothing. You want to cut them in half, and we want both the juice and the skin. So first we want to juice them. So I'm taking a small bowl and squeezing all the juice out of it. And if you get any seeds, just remove them. And once you are done with that, you want to set it aside and move on with the rest of the lemon. All you want to do is slice them. Lemon peels actually contains more vitamin C than lemon juice, and it also has pectin fibers which makes you full and boost your immune system, and also polyphenols which helps you burn fat, and we often skip that. Now it's time to turn the heat of your stove to medium, put a pan there and put 1.5 liters of water there. Now we are gonna put all of our three ingredients: ginger, lemon rinds, and cinnamon. We are not putting the juice yet. Now you want to put it at rolling boil for 20 minutes. So for 20 minutes it's gonna boil. And after that, you want to stop the heat completely and cover it for extra 10 minutes. And a lot of goodness will come out in the water in this 10 minutes. Okay, now everything is done. You want to put a sieve and sieve out all the liquid in a jug. And then you want to add in the lemon juice that we set aside. Okay, the lemon juice goes in, and now you want to give it a stir so that everything is mixed. This drink is very powerful, but for making it, you need one extra ingredient. When you want to consume it, take it in a glass, and then you want to add some honey to sweeten it. Now, you can go for any sweetener of your choice, but raw honey works the best. And now the secret ingredient, which is quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper or hot pepper, which has capsaicin, which speeds up metabolism. Now this drink is ready to be consumed. You want to drink it in empty stomach 1 hour before your breakfast and then throughout the day to keep you hydrated. This is a great fat burning drink and helps you lose stubborn fat. It has ginger, cinnamon, and lemon. Ginger has anti-obesity effects and it stabilizes your blood sugar level and makes you lose weight. Cinnamon also boosts your metabolism, and these all are very helpful in losing weight. Thank you for watching.